Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My voice might be a little bit low, but I guess it's common cold and I don't know what's going on with me here. So I had planned to do a video for you guys for the bodysuit, but I'm not going to be able to do that. So the video you're about to watch is not as usual vlogs. Like if you followed me because of the vlog, it's not a vlog, my normal life update. It's not that. It's going to be about, there's a video I posted years ago and it has a lot of views about how to use a dumpy level. I professionally am a surveyor, so I thought of doing another video of how to actually construct a culvert. So the video you're about to watch is going to be of that. Maybe next week you can try and do a video for the bodysuit. So hope you guys get to enjoy. So you'll see, what you're about to see is the construction from the groundwork, when you place the culverts and you place the sidewalls. They're called sidewalls, side culverts. Okay, so I hope you get to enjoy this video and tell your friends to subscribe to this channel. Also comment down below. I remember on that video most people have told me to talk about how to interpret a road design, so maybe I'm going to be doing that too, but today's video is going to be about the culvert. So stay tuned and watch up to the end to see how to come up with a culvert. And it's my joy when such culverts are normally successful and they're able to take water where it's supposed to be taken. Yeah, so stay tuned and thank you guys. Yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for all the subscribers you're gaining. So yeah, stay tuned. So here we begin by laying a foundation where the concrete is, how the concrete is made. That is a mixture of sand, ballast and cement. So if the ground is not stable, this is what is normally laid below. And they also use this mesh wire to, like, in between that foundation, so that it's going to hold the culverts. Next, you're going to be placing these culverts on top of that layer after you picked the level and have designed what slope you want to use. So a string is usually held from one side to the other one after you, like, for putting the level. Then you go ahead, put the culverts, then between the culverts you put the paper that you remove cement, or maybe that mixture of cement and sand and water. And then now mostly you use this machine because, like, having a well concreted combination of that is usually a hard task. So you, like, for our case, we were using the machine you have seen there. Then it had a problem of drainage because in Kenya during this time you're having a lot of rain. So, and you had to put this culvert because it's needed for that section and it's very important for that area to run its own normal tasks or normal responsibilities for the day. We also required to do or to provide this is a sample of the mixture so that it can go for the lab test. So this is one of the engineers who's trying to prepare that, and this is going to be taken to the labs, so for them to test and know that they use the right combination of the mixture. It's supposed to be 1:1.5:1. That is one, the ratio of ballast, cement and sand. So again, you put either, most people at times used metal, but in this case we were using these plywoods to shape how you want the concrete to come out. So you shape it. Also you put the wire mesh there so that the how do you call the combination of what you have done, it's going to be able to hold each other. So this is them trying to increase the wire mesh because it was actually less. So this is them adding another wire mesh to that, and they're trying to fold it so that it's able to, you see. So this is the side or the ends of the culvert how you want it to look like. So you have to make this shape, make it really stiff, so that when you put the concrete here, it's going to stay like 1 or 2 days, so that it dries up, and then you can pull out these plywood. Or if you're using metal, you can pull out the metals. If it is for a small project, you normally use the firewoods, the plywoods, or this type of material. So they're trying to make sure it's going to be attached and it's going to be in good condition, so that when you add the concrete, it's able to be stiff. When you do that, you also use a vibrator to make sure the concrete or that mixture has like imeshikana, so it is stiff. Because if you just put in the mixture there, it's not going, I think it's going to be light, not think, I know it's going to be light, and it's not going to be like haitakuwa imejazilia poa ama imeshikilia poa, ni kama kaugali karahisi. So that's why they are using those wires, and they'll be using those vibrator to do also the same thing. So after some time, this is how it looks like, and then they'll come and remove that. So this is the mixture that they were using, and this is the wire mesh that you have to place on top of the culvert, so that when you put the mixture, it goes around. It's like it's a box culvert type of design. So you put the concrete, so that the concrete, this is to help them shaping the concrete that you're going to be putting there. So I hope you're learning. This is also used for, you see, when you do that, sometimes you find spaces in between that wire mesh and that timber. So this, what they are trying to do here is to make sure to create this mixture, put in wires, then they will pull them out, and it's usually in a specific dimension, and is usually placed in those maybe 2 sections where you'll find the concrete did not reach, or there is space, so they use that to fill in that space. So the end of all that is this is the culvert, how it looks like. So you see the shaping was well done by the mesh wire. So I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. It's quite simple and quite doable. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Why was I recording this? Oh, they were running after each other because of a grasshopper. Yeah, it's funny. When you're outside, you normally see a lot of things. They definitely disappeared. Yeah. So this is this is the edges. So where you can see the edge of the culvert, they're going to go back there.